First of all, I want to give this sample to you so you can also have a feeling and you can send it around here through the audience so you can have a feeling about the product we will discuss about. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Recep. I am German engineer. German engineer means I'm not full German. I'm born in Germany, but with Turkish roots. So for more than 25 years, I lived in Germany. For 10 years, I'm living in Turkey. And almost 10 years, I'm in the mattress industry. And I have not visited one or two companies. I have visited hundreds of companies in the mattress industry. And one of the biggest topic is, you know, we are selling the mattresses as mattress manufacturing companies or the supplying companies. But the big question is always, what happens to the mattress when the lifetime is ended? So that's a big problem, and that's a big problem in the recycling process afterwards. So I want to ask to the audience, I'm sure there are also some mattress manufacturer here in the audience, what happens to the mattress when the lifetime is ended? Do you have a program, do you have a system, or do you have something like this which is designed to bring the mattress back to recycle it? So I want to have a feedback from a mattress company. Do you have a system or program developed inside your company where you are taking care also about the recycling process of the mattresses? So do we have a microphone here? Mikrofon var mı? Bir daha söyleyin, anlamadım.
Türkçe tercüme yapıyoruz şu anda. Kulaklık alabilirler.
Nerede kulaklık?
Kulaklık sesçilerden talep ediyoruz.
Türkçe, yes, they will, who is, we can organize, siz buraya getirin isterseniz. Ha. Can we make a 2 seconds break for the audience which wants to translate it to Turkish or Arabic? We have a system which you can have. So just you need to go over there, take your devam edeyim mi? Is not good organized like you. This gentleman is from the industry of association of Indian mattress manufacturing companies, and he helped me also in India to make a presentation, but it was better organized than today. So we was discussing the technical details before we are starting the presentation. Now we interrupted the presentation to first make the technical things. So hopefully we will be ready in a few minutes. Thank you for your support. So I'm continuing the presentation. So do we have mattress companies here in the audience? Who is manufacturing mattresses? So hands up, who is making mattresses? Any mattress company here? So there is no mattress company here. So let me continue. So the problem about the problem about mattresses is there is a very difficult recycling process after the lifetime is ended. So we have developed a technology which can be removed as a scrap and can be reused fully. So means you make it into fully small scraps after the lifetime is ended, and you put it into the machine and you can reuse it. And the biggest advantage from this product, it is giving the full rebound close to the full capacity of rebound like a new material. So I want to explain you the AirMats technology, which is originally a Japanese technology, and this is a technology which has been developed by Japanese engineers, and we have the only machine in Turkey for production of this material. What is the advantage of this material? Mainly it is getting compared to foam, but is not something what we are allowing to compare with foam, because it is having a complete different structure compared to regular foam which is used in the mattress industry. So it is a microclimate material, it is having a different touch, and it is very ergonomic product. Means today a foam, especially when it is getting dirty, it is not washable. So this is the only washable material in the mattress industry. So this is a groundbreaking innovation, and where it is mainly used is generally, we can say, application fields are very, very wide. But this is the problem what we are trying to solve. When there is a AirMats machine in every country, so it's like having the capacity to make mattresses with this innovative material, and in this way you will not see this picture anymore in the mattress industry. Means you can remove the scrap and make a new material from this one. So you will forget these pictures when we are able to innovate and push this material more and more into the mattress industry. So approximately 30 million mattresses every year are going to waste. So you can calculate how this number will also increase in the coming years, and you can also calculate like the potential of this innovative material, because it means that this recycled mattresses will be also have a very easy process. Just I need to show the material, like here you can see the structure is allowing that you can scrap it in a machine. So the structures are like this, small pieces. So these small pieces, when you put them into the machine, it can be reused. But it doesn't mean that it is not a strong material. So we will go to the next step. So it is a very strong material where we have the ability to work between the hardnesses 30 density to 120 density. But 120 density is not usable for the mattress industry because it's too hard. Only washable material in the mattress industry, like I have described you, is highly breathable, means especially in hot countries is a big problem, the problem about the temperature. So this is a highly breathable material. It is having a high rebound rate, like a foam, and in this way, it is really replacing foam in every aspect, but is not replacing it. Is not replacing it in one aspect, in the pricing level. Right now, it is more expensive than regular foam. But if it's spreading more and more, maybe tomorrow it will also decrease the price of the raw material. So what makes it expensive is the raw material cost, because it's mainly developed by one company, which is a market leader from United States, and in this phase they are holding the technology of the raw material inside their company. So we are fixed to this company, and we are not allowing to use also a different material to maintain the quality of the product. So a little bit technical details about comparing the pure foam and the airmet technology. I will not go deep into the detail. It is like just a comparison how close it is to regular foam. But in these 2 points, it is very far away. You know, I told you it's the only breathable mattress in the world, and you can see the difference from the technical details. Any question until this point? Like I told you, this picture is better for understanding the recycling process of the material. This is the structure, and this is the recycled material. And we can easily put this material into the machine and reuse it. So what we need to also take care about, what is the difference in the rebound rate about the recycled material. So like you can see, it is almost the same rebound rate of the material. So there is no difference if you use a recycled material or a fresh material. So this is a big advantage of airmet. So you can fully recycle it and you reuse it all the time. The structure is the same, the color is the same, rebound is almost the same. So it's not exactly the same, but the hardness level is also decreasing a little bit. So basically, what we do in this case, we are using not fully recycled material, we are using fresh material mixed with recycled material, and in this way we are balancing the hardness level of the product. We have a question from the audience, what is the general lifetime of the material? So general lifetime, because it's a new material, is not possible to give the exact lifetime of the material right now. So we have reused it in combination with refreshed material, fresh material, but right now it's not possible to give an exact lifetime how long we can continue to reuse the same material. But the advantage is, like I told you, because we are mixing the fresh and recycled material, there is no difference in the hardness level. So in the production process, we keep reusing it by mixing it together with fresh material. So there is no difference in long time when you make this combination in this way. So production design, production needs to be organized in this direction. Only problem from this material right now is very hard to collect the waste of air mats. So if it's spread all around the world, only then we will able to collect the waste material from every mattress company, because right now logistically it is not making sense in every company to recollect the material from all the mattress manufacturing companies. So what is the use case of this? Like, we are mainly focused on the mattress industry, but it is also having a wider range because, like we said, it is a breathable material. It is also good for pet beds. It is good for army mattresses because if it's getting wet, is also a big advantage in nursing beds, in baby mattresses, pillows, and especially outdoor furniture is also very popular. But I can tell you the truth about the application fields. 90% we are supplying to baby mattress manufacturer. 90% we are supplying to baby mattress manufacturer. So this means this is the only material in the industry where the babies, you know the age, every like father or mother will remember the time between 2 and 3 years when they are learning how to go to toilet. They are also peeing a lot on the mattress. So in this period, if you have a regular foam, you are not able to wash the regular foam, and this material is allowing you to completely wash it. So for this, because of this point, mainly it is right now popular for baby mattresses because in this area, in this product segment, it is really critical because the mothers are caring about this product and they want to have a real solution about this area between 2 years and 3 years where they are getting taught about like going to toilet. So what they do is with this air mats, they can remove the cover of the mattress. The inner cover they can wash in the shower, and the outer cover they can wash in the washing machine. And the story is finished. So you don't need to throw away the mattress. You don't need to take care of the PU foam, which is getting dirty. So you don't also need to let your baby sleep on a dirty foam mattress. So you can completely wash it. So it is not like a material which we put into the mattress industry in a short period. We have tested it in detail. We have tested it together with institutes from Japan, and we have passed the test in many different aspects. Because when you make an innovation in this, in any category, you need to also prove yourself it is possible, like suitable for any industry. So what we have passed as a test until now is the antibacterial test, the compression test, the density test, the tensile strength test to also prove the wire, the separate wires, and the product smell test. All these tests we have passed until now, and it is all successful. In every aspect, it is very successful. And right now, we are really able to supply even the largest company in the world. Even we are in discussion with companies like with 4 letters. I don't need to mention the name. I don't want to promote them. Even companies with 4 letters, we are in discussion for this material. like I told you, is a very sustainable material which will change the industry. Only problem, we need to push this technology forward together. Pushing this technology forward doesn't mean that we need to buy it more or like consider it. It needs to be tested from every mattress manufacturing company. Tested at least for one application, and in this way you can at least understand what is the benefit of this material and how can I use it. So I will finish my presentation by showing you how our mattress is looking like, which is the most popular size for the industry. This is the baby mattress, and when you have this baby mattresses, you are only covering it fully outside and the story is finished. So basically, you need to use a high weight fabric on it, so it's also comfortable for the baby, and in this way you can make a perfect baby mattresses. So the biggest advantage is, like I told you, in the baby area right now, because this is the most critical area where we are like having the biggest benefits because of the problem. So thank you for your attention. Now you can come here, test the material. You can a little bit test it by yourself. It's hard to explain a new material, and because of that, make your own experience, test it yourself, see the hardness level, and you can follow us, and you can take some samples from us by visiting our booth. Our booth is located in the entrance of the Hall 5. So we have a lot of samples. You can take a sample and you can make your own experience. So thank you for your attention, and now you are free to test the material by yourself. Thank you so much.